What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chat checking in, and I'm back. I'm finally back home. It's been a long, almost a month since I've been back home. I got off my rotation. I had to go to Orlando for a family reunion. As soon as I got back, the day I got back, I had to hop on a flight to go to Minnesota for work. So I've literally been gone for an entire month. Still ordering parts, still getting stuff in, and of course, you've seen my new mods that just came in, my Baer brakes, Holly Performance. Thank you. It came out amazing, and I got everything delivered over to the shop, and now I'm headed over to the shop so I can lay my hands on them myself. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get them on the car. We're gonna see what the time frame is. You know, shop's always busy. It's that time of the year, but we're definitely gonna get it squeezed in. So just fingers crossed, right, guys? Alright guys, pulling up to the shop. Yeah, somebody chopping. I hear that. That's another.
Closed on days that end in Y.
Pretty sure he just finished up something. Shout outs, I love my water. I don't know. Free shout outs. Got chopped. Closed on all the days that end in Y. Oh man. Everybody knows J-Rod. I know what he does. I just need y'all to call him and get some quotes. Matter of fact, don't even get a quote. Just spend money. Just drop the money off. $20 per quote.
There you go.
Ooh, this thing is beautiful though. My man. Good. Wow. Gutted.
Yeah, gutted, man. Like you spent like $1,000.
This one is going with the supercharged, the build motor.
Whipple.
Ooh, wee.
377 right here. Rod
This is LME?
Yeah. Rods, pistons, 4 heads.
On a work truck.
Like 700 all-wheel drive, man.
Ooh. Let's hope the front diff can handle it. All right, and we are here for the best. Yes, sir. Shout out to Baer Brakes, man. I can't wait to open these things. I hope you guys are ready too, man. Here we go. All right, due to some technical difficulties, I'm going to have to do a little voiceover. So here we go. So I got one of the boxes open. As you can see, it comes with some stickers, instructions, stainless steel brake lines. Yep, stainless steel brake lines. And let's see what else. So it's a heavy box, definitely a heavy box. And not only one heavy box, there's 2 heavy boxes. Yes, 2 heavy boxes inside of a box. So the box says Monster Green. It identifies left or right side. Of course, there's instructions. People never read instructions. But wow, I'm definitely flabbergasted at what I see right now. I mean, the green looks amazing. I mean, I'm all right now highly impressed. It looks marvelous. The bracket's already assembled, brakes already in there. Like I said, it shows left and right side, nothing to worry about there. And then going to the next box, stainless steel brake lines, another tag, more stickers, more instructions, another heavy box. So this box, we have our rear calipers. Looks amazing, just like the front calipers. The brake pads are already installed. And look, made in the USA. Yes, sir. So no cheap Chinese. And look, there's two. Of course there's two. Gotta have them for the bag. All right, so let's go on to our third box. And what do we have here? We have our front 13-inch rotors. They're already assembled. Everything's been Loctite. You can see where they've already torqued everything. So that's good. I don't have to do that. And going to our next box, here we have our brake shoes for the rear. Everything's already assembled. It looks great. Less work for me, right? Then we're gonna go to our next box, and that box has the rear rotors. Massive 13-inch, drilled, slotted. These look great. They're labeled left and rear. So there you have it. You got 4 huge boxes from Baer Brakes with everything you need. So I'm definitely ecstatic to get these brakes finally on my car. I mean, these are gonna be wonderful when it comes to just stopping power after just making more power, because like I said, the stock brakes, they just don't cut it. And definitely the faster I get, I'm gonna need that power just for safety. You know, safety first, speed, being fast, always second, man. All right, guys, so we finally got everything unboxed. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the audio, I had to do the whole voiceover thing, but you get the idea. I mean, those things look stellar, and I cannot wait to get them on the car. But here's the question. For all the people that's following, that's actually watching this video, you get an inside scoop. So I got some new wheels coming. And I wanna know from you, should I wait to put the brakes on and put the wheels on at one time? Or should I put the brakes on now and then put the wheels on? So pretty much either reveal it all together or do one at a time. So make sure you comment down below. Let me know what I should do. Make sure you turn on your alerts, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and what you want to see in the future. And just know I got a lot of things coming. All right, No Chill Chat checking out. Later.